Prove me wrong. I dare you. What do you think? Does this expression check out as written, or is there something else going on here? Alright, if you just go left to right, you'd do 25 minus 5 equals 20. Then 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So it looks like the answer is just 4, right? Well, not so fast. Remember PEMDAS, the order of operations? Division comes before subtraction. So we actually start with 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and now it's 25 minus 1 equals 24. That's the real answer. So did that just prove me wrong? Not exactly. I'm not screaming the wrong answer at you. In mathematics, that exclamation point means something totally different. Factorial. So 4 with an exclamation sign doesn't mean I'm shouting 4. In math, it means 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. And that matches our correct order of operations. And usually at the end of the proof, you'd write QED, quod erat demonstratum in Latin. And in this case, we really have demonstrated it correctly. Alright, your turn to demonstrate your knowledge of factorials. Tell me what 6 factorial is down in the comments. So the order of operations proves it. 25 minus 5 divided by 5 equals 4 factorial. And your next step in the order of operations is to watch this video right here. Don't stop now. I'll see you there.